Avangate Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Avangate Affiliate Program. If you're looking for a reliable affiliate network focused on digital products, software, and SaaS, check the links in the description below. Avangate, now part of 2Checkout, specializes in software and digital services, making it an excellent choice for affiliates who want to promote antivirus programs, VPNs, productivity tools, and other online solutions. Unlike general affiliate networks, Avangate provides access to high-ticket offers and recurring commissions, making it a profitable option for digital marketers. One of the standout features of the Avangate affiliate program is its large marketplace with thousands of software vendors. Major brands like Bitdefender, Kaspersky, iObit, and Hide My Ass VPN are available for promotion. Affiliates can earn up to 75% commission on some products, which is significantly higher than most physical product affiliate programs. Many software vendors also offer recurring commissions, meaning you continue earning when customers renew their subscriptions. The platform includes advanced tracking and reporting tools, ensuring you get detailed insights into clicks, conversions, and earnings. Avangate supports multiple payment methods, including PayPal, wire transfer, and Payoneer, with a low payout threshold of $100. Payments are processed on a monthly basis, making it convenient for affiliates who want regular payouts. One key advantage of Avangate is that it provides customized affiliate support. Many vendors offer special promotions, exclusive coupons, and increased commissions for top-performing affiliates. If you have a solid marketing strategy, you can negotiate better deals directly with vendors. However, this program is best suited for affiliates with experience in software and digital marketing. While it's free to join, success depends on targeting the right audience and using strong promotional strategies. If you have a tech-related blog, YouTube channel, or a strong email list, Avangate can be a highly profitable affiliate program for you. Overall, Avangate is a top choice for affiliates focused on digital products, offering high commissions, recurring revenue, and access to premium software brands. If you're ready to start earning, sign up using the links in the description and explore the Avangate affiliate program today.